upload a new video. What? Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to open the Glossy Box of January, and I haven't seen any of the products online, so I have no idea what we are going to see today. But yeah, this is the box. I would really recommend you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Just click the button down there and the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. So let's start and see what we get in this box. And we have a dog here who wants to open with us. That's okay. No theme this month. It's just a regular pink box. And for everyone who doesn't know what Glossybox is, it's a beauty subscription where you get a box every month. It can be a special theme or anything, and I think you usually get 5 products. It costs around $19–20. And I will put an affiliate link down in the description box. So if you use the link, I think you get 20% off your first box. I'm not really sure, but you will see everything you need to know down in the description. But let's open. And it's the Sleep and Refresh. Okay. And every month you get a magazine. So this is the one for this month. Really cute. I like. So the first product is a creamy lipstick, the Queen, and it's really little. So little mouth here. Let's open. So this is a sample size. Be Your Own Pro. Rose petal, creamy semi matte. Okay. Not really my color and a very little size, but okay, we continue. And then we have what is this? Hello Fresh. What is that? A food thing. So you get 50% off food bag. I have to look this up, but it's a coupon or gift card for a food subscription or something. I don't know. That's weird. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is big. It's a glow mist from Candy Cosmetics, 120 milliliters. So it's a pre-glow up mist. Get your skin glow ready. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. I don't know about that glow, but I can see some glitter. Okay, fun product. Have to test that out. And a big size, we like that. We move on, and the next product is a facial serum, 30 milliliter from Symbiosis London, and some weird calculation or something. Smooth a pea-sized amount in gentle circular motions into the skin in the morning and the evening after cleansing, toning and exfoliating. It could be a full size, we'll see later, but really fun. Looks expensive as well. And then we have a Firming Radiant Mud Mask, Time Control from 417. I have received a lotion from them before in the Goodiebox advent calendar, so I've seen the brand, but it's a bit difficult to really know if a brand is good or not just out of a hand lotion. So fun to actually test a mud mask, then you can really see if they're a good brand or not. Fun. And the last product is a lip balm from Carmex, and I think everyone knows this. And my last one is actually old, so good to get a new one. I really like it, so nothing new, but good to have a new one. So let's read about the products. So first we have the face serum. It has anti-aging effect. It softens and yeah, it softens your skin. It's moisturizing and yeah, you should apply it after your cleansing, before your face cream. And the original product retails for $126. What? This is a full size, so this cost $126. Oh my god, that's expensive. I would not purchase this on my own. Never. Okay, that's expensive as f. That's expensive. Okay, we'll see if it's good. But I will never repurchase it, but okay. And then we have the Candy Cosmetics Glow Up Primer and Setting Spray. Ready Set Glow. It's a all-in-one primer and setting spray. Use it before your foundation or after to keep your makeup in place. You can spray it all over your face or body for a natural glow. And it's a full-size version and it retails for $25, so that's a bit expensive for a brand I never seen before, but we'll see, maybe I'll like it. And the minus 417 Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. It's a mud mask who cleans the skin from oils and gives it a glow. Apply on clean skin and let it sit for 7 to 10 minutes. It's 20 milliliters. The original product is 100 milliliters and costs $37. And the Carmex Original Lip Balm. Yeah, it's a lip balm with menthol and camphor. It's wonderful for the lips. It gives a nice cold feeling and it softens your dry lips. And it's a full size and it retails for $3, so very, very affordable. And the last product is the Kiss New York the Queen. It's the lipstick, a creamy lipstick. It has a half matte. Do you say that? Half matte. It gives you a half matte finish without drying the lips. The original product is 4.5 milliliters and retails for 95 Swedish crowns, so around $9. This is how much? 3 milliliters. So not a full-size product. I'm actually not disappointed this month. I think they had some terrible boxes the last couple of months, but this was actually pretty good. So I'm happy and tired, so I'm going to sleep now. I will test them out and in the future you will see them in my monthly empties. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell. And see you in the next video. Bye!